The Mais Lecture has informed financial and economic policy over a period of decades. We've had prime ministers, we've had ministers of finance and chairs of central banks talking about the major issues of the economy in the day.
Tonight we have Isabel Schnabel of the European Central Bank, and she's going to talk to us about the importance of financial literacy for understanding macroeconomic policies. It is a very important topic, particularly because there is a big misunderstanding of what central banks are doing, what the importance of inflation is for normal people, what are the implications for their jobs, for their savings, for the way they access mortgages, what are the implications for interest rates, and a lot of things that affect people more than they realize.
So there's an important gap in financial literacy with respect to gender, other characteristics as well with respect to education and so on. So we look forward to hear from her the various initiatives the various central banks are doing to improve financial literacy within the European Union.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please join me in welcoming Professor Isabel Schnabel to give the 2025 Mais Lecture.
Benjamin Franklin, who spent more than 16 years here in London, once said, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Thank you very much for your attention.
I'm really interested about the lectures, and I'm really amazed of the Mais lecture as well. And I think my key takeaway is that financial literacy is very important to, let's say, the effectiveness of monetary policies. And coming from an emerging markets and developing markets as well, I think it's really important to enhance on education, especially enhancing the gender gap between women and men.
Well, I guess the importance of financial literacy in general, I mean, I thought that was quite interesting. The former Lord Mayor also put financial literacy as one of his main objectives. I mean, I guess from education institutions knowing how important financial literacy is and how important institutions take it, I think that was quite interesting.